Yazi ngo-2026 ne, what I would advise ukuze ibandla libe ne-impact, life is spiritual. The church has to take their place, occupy, have dominion in the spirit realm, because life is spiritual. So the church has to occupy their place, of or have dominion, exercise a dominion over whatever realm or whatever territory God gives them. But one of the effective ways, obviously, to do that is through prayer. The church has to pray, and the church has to pray consistently, and the church has to pray long. It has to stay in prayer and fast. But how are we going to do that when our night prayers, we have 6 speakers, yet we call it a night prayer, all night prayer, yet we have 5 guest speakers and 3 artists? So when are we going to pray? If the service starts at 7 p.m. Or at 8 p.m. and then already you have three artists, or you have 2 artists, and then you have 5 preachers. Each preacher must have an hour or more. When are we going to pray? Is it a night of preaching and teaching, or is it a night of prayer? If it's a night of teaching and preaching, just say it. Bhala lapha with theme, whole night teaching or whole night preaching. Don't lie to people and do false advertising and say whole night prayer when you know very well that 70% of that night will be preaching. I wish you can send this to your favorite pastor so that we can all learn. I don't say this from a place of judging and criticizing. I'm coming up with a solution. Nothing wrong with having preachers in a gathering. Nothing wrong with inviting preachers. But let's define our gatherings kahle. If we are calling a night of prayer, let's pray. Don't call a night of prayer and then suddenly that night of prayer now people are lazy, the whole night.